Washing soda. Don't go by its name, as this compound does more than just washing. Thanks to its unique properties, washing soda or sodium carbonate has been known and used by mankind for centuries. The ancient Egyptians extracted this chemical compound by burning seaweed and used it to make glass ornaments and vessels. Since it was produced from the ashes of seaweed, it's still called soda ash. What's more, the early Romans used it to make baked goods such as bread. Today, washing soda is used in lots of different cleaning products. It's considered as one of the more environmentally friendly cleaning chemicals out there. Furthermore, its disinfectant properties and ability to cut through grease makes it an ideal laundry choice for those wash day challenges that you dread. And if you don't find this product at a grocery store for whatever reason, don't worry. You can make your own at home. It's possible if you have baking soda or sodium bicarbonate handy. When heated, baking soda releases water and carbon dioxide, leaving you with sodium carbonate or washing soda. Just be sure to store it in an airtight container. This will keep the moisture out and improve the shelf life of your washing soda.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.